So, if you've stuck with this video and you're still watching, you're in for a treat. Hello and welcome. And yep, we're out. It's 5th of May. You're not seeing this probably till somewhere June type of thing. But I've got a giveaway. And I thought I'd just go for our leisurely evening walk, which is not very leisurely because we haven't stopped yet. The idea of a bit of exercise is get your heart rate up. And we're certainly getting the heart rate up. So yeah, we've been up around the town, been round the river
while it's empty.
While it's empty, yeah. Come up the canal, giving some distance to the boats, and yeah, just avoiding people. So yeah, why have I made this video? Well, I've made this video simply because I've got a tripod to give away. K&F Concept, if you remember, some back a month or so ago, I did a talk with Julie from China, from K&F Concept, and yeah, she was kind enough to offer me a tripod to give away. And I know it's been a long time coming, but I just couldn't find the appropriate way of passing it on, and what sort of a competition to actually give the tripod away. So I thought I'd use my evening walk, and yeah, I'd just pretty much put it out there. So I've got a tripod. What is it? It's the tripod I did a review on. It's a carbon fiber. I'll put the details up for you. A KF, whatever it is, 32 something 75, is it, something like that?
When I talked about it when we went to Wales.
Yeah, Denise done a bit of a talk on it as well. It's the one she's actually using herself now. So I'll put the details up while I'm talking, while I'm rambling and waffling on. So yeah, I'm giving it away totally free. It's actually coming straight from K&F. They're actually going to supply it straight to you, so they will be sending it out, paying the postage and everything, which is really good of them. If you're interested, this is the catch. If you're interested, you need to have been watching pretty much all my videos over the last couple of months. If you haven't, you're going to have to go back and watch them. And if you skipped through them, more fool you, because in 3 videos I put 3 different numbers. So if you've spotted them numbers and wondered what those numbers are for, I need you to add those 3 numbers together and it will give you a total number. So not only that, but I don't want that in the description. I don't want it advertised because everyone else will just copy the number. What I want you to do is to message me privately, either through my website, and I'll put the link in the description below, and I'll also put it up on the bottom of the screen and go on the contact page, or on my Facebook, go to private message and send me a private message. And I would also like to know, just in case someone does put the number in the comments and give it away, I would also like to know where we were sat when Denise was talking about the tripod. So if you can do those 4 things, the tripod's yours. It's a nice little tripod, carbon fiber, great for travel, and like I say, K&F's been good enough to offer it and give it away. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to do. No video about any tips, hints, any photography, nothing. Literally just a walk, get some fresh air, take you and show you around my little town again, and yeah, going home for a cup of tea, enjoy the tripod, whoever wins it, and I'll speak to you towards the end of June. I think the end of June I'll pull out the winner. We'll put all the names into a hat and we'll pull it out at the end of June, and we'll get that off to you. So I hope that's all right. Hope you're still with me. Hope you're not too bored. Stick with us, because hopefully by the time you're watching this, the lockdown's going to start lifting, and we'll be able to get out a little bit more. We can't wait to get out and do a bit more photography outside the house, not inside the house. But I hope you've been enjoying some of the stuff I've been doing. Find it a bit alien doing all the old photo tips and Lightroom stuff, but it's kept me busy and it's kept my channel going. So until next time, ciao for now.